Hi friends, you are welcome in the presentation titled The Rocks and Their Classification. This presentation has been specially made for the students of class 7th. Subject is geography and the learning outcome of the presentation will be the learner defines a rock and identifies rock types. Rocks. The Earth's crust is made up of various types of rocks, differing from one another in texture, in structure, color, permeability, mode of occurrence, and degree of resistance to denudation. Generally speaking, all rocks may be classified into three major groups: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic, according to their origin and occurrence. Igneous rocks. These are crystalline in structure. These do not occur in layers. These do not contain fossils. Classification on the basis of mineral composition. Acidic. These contain silica above 63%, and the example of acidic igneous rock is granite. Basic. These contain about 60 45 to 55% silica, and example of igneous basic rock is basalt. Classification of igneous rocks in terms of origin. In terms of origin, these are classified as plutonic and volcanic. Plutonic igneous rocks are formed at some depth in the crust of Earth. These are cooled and solidified slowly, because of which large crystals of these rocks are formed, and examples are granite, diorite, and gabbro. Volcanic igneous rocks. These are poured out of volcanoes as lava. These solidify rapidly, due to which small crystals are formed. Examples are basalt that forms lava flows, lava sheets, and lava plateaus, for example, Deccan Plateau. Sedimentary rocks. These are formed from sediments mostly underwater. These are termed as stratified rocks because they are formed in layers. These may be coarse or fine grained, soft or hard. These often contain fossils of animals, plants, or other microorganisms. Classification of sedimentary rocks on the basis of origin and composition. On these bases, sedimentary rocks are classified as mechanically formed, organically formed, and chemically formed. Mechanically formed rocks, these are formed from accumulation of materials derived from other rocks. An example is sandstone. When large pebbles are firmly cemented to form a rock, it is called conglomerate when the pebbles are round, and breccia when the fragments are angular. Finer sedimentary materials form clay. Organically formed. These are formed from remains of living organisms such as corals or shellfish. Most common rocks formed of this way are of calcareous type, for example, limestone and chalk. Carbonaceous rocks are also organically formed, but from vegetative matter. An example is peat, lignite, coal, etc. Then is chemically formed sedimentary rocks. These are precipitated chemically from solutions of one kind or other. Rock salts are derived from strata which once formed beds of seas or lakes. Gypsum or calcium sulfate is obtained from evaporation of salt lakes. In similar way, potash and nitrate may be formed. Metamorphic rocks. All rocks may become metamorphic or changed rocks under great heat and pressure. This heat and pressure may greatly alter their original character and appearance. On metamorphosis, clay, which is a sedimentary rock, changes into slate. Limestone, which is classified as sedimentary, and on metamorphosis, it changes into marble. Sandstone, a sedimentary rock, on metamorphosis, changes into quartzite. Granite and igneous rock, on metamorphosis, changes into gneiss. And coal, a sedimentary rock, on metamorphosis changes into graphite. That means both sedimentary and igneous rocks can change into metamorphic rocks. Thank you for watching this presentation. For more such presentations, subscribe the YouTube channel Bashir Gojri.